Click Settings and turn on Wi-Fi connection. Then click Firmware. Check for updates and click to update. Wait for the update to finish. Click on Algo Type, double-click on the input area, and enter the text content you want to engrave. Click Next, set the engraving parameters. Move the picture to the engraving area. Start engraving. Click on AlgoSketch. Click the pencil, select the appropriate stroke thickness, and use the stylus to start drawing. Click Gives to proceed to the parameters page. Set the engraving parameters. Adjust the position and size of the picture. Start engraving. Newly added languages: Turkish, Czech, Polish, Filipino, and Indonesian.